In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a questionnaire to your Wix Online program website. This is especially useful for those of you who have set up an online program and are looking to test the skills of your participants, or collect valuable data regarding their experience with your program. Whether you're a content creator, an instructor, or someone who simply wants to gather feedback, adding a questionnaire is a seamless process that can drastically enhance the user engagement on your site. Let's delve into how you can do this effortlessly. Start by heading over to your site's dashboard. On the left panel, you'll see a variety of options to manage your website. Look for the one labeled Online Programs. Give it a click, and you'll be presented with a list of the online programs you've set up on your site. Take a moment to identify the specific program where you wish to incorporate the questionnaire and give it a click. Now that you're inside your program's settings, scroll down to locate the content section. It might take a little scrolling, but once you find it, you'll notice an option to add content. Click that and you'll be on the right track. Within the options presented, look for Quiz. This is the function we'll be leveraging to set up your questionnaire. When you select Quiz, you'll be prompted to name your quiz. This is a great opportunity to be descriptive, so your participants know exactly what to expect. Whether it's a feedback form or a skill test, an appropriate name sets the context right from the get-go. Once you've named your quiz, you'll be asked to select its section of the program. This helps in keeping your questionnaire organized and ensures it aligns well with the overall structure of your program. Next, you'll dive into crafting the questions. This part is quite flexible, allowing you to add as many questions as needed to meet your objectives. If your questionnaire is intended to be a test, you also have the option to require a passing grade. Simply check the Require a Passing Grade option if you want to set a benchmark. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to assess the skills of your participants and give them a challenge to meet. Once you've polished all the details and feel satisfied with your setup, click Save. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Saving your work ensures that all the effort you've put into creating your questionnaire is safely stored and ready for your users to engage with. And that's all there is to it. Adding a questionnaire to your Wix Online program is as simple as following these few intuitive steps. By leveraging this feature, you can enhance the interactivity of your program and gain valuable insights into your participants' experiences or outcomes. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough makes your work with Wix even more effective.